I said it before, I was in other videos. This kind of stuff, it's very rare there's actually a bad product. Everybody's different. Everybody's skin is different. Everybody's water is different. Everybody's technique is different. So you got to find what you prefer. Welcome back, folks. We are doing another random chance shave today. Just finished my shower, and let's figure out what we're using today. The soap today, this is Rex Supply 1955. Not one of my favorites, but pretty good. My problem with this was I didn't seem to get great residual slickness. I like the soap. I don't like how soft it is in terms of my prep. I prefer a harder soap, less of a gooey mess. It's a pretty soft soap. But I mean, that's my personal preference. Works well. The blade, let's find out. Okay, so we're not gonna look. Whatever this is. We just did nascents. There's a lot of them in there. Anyway. Okay. So we are using, I'm honestly not sure, Derby something? It's not in English. Derby Extra. There we go. Derby Extra. Load up our 42C. Check our edge alignment. Shouldn't be an issue. It never is with this one, but to go with the 55, I'm actually going to use Razor Emporium Pre-Shave. So that is this guy. It is a pre-shave block. Again, not a favorite, but it seems to work okay. I haven't had any issues with it. I just don't normally use it because I normally use the skin food. I got my preferences. As always, the Trafalgar tube. Let's get it wet, get rid of most of the extra water, and start our lather. 55 lathers up pretty easily. It's not a hard soap to lather up. So we're at 3 teaspoons of water. And plus whatever was still in the brush after I shook it out a little bit. And that is just enough. Not gonna do anything special, same shape I always do. The Derbies don't have the best reputation as a great blade, but honestly, seems to work pretty well for me. My issue with it, it wasn't as smooth as some of the others, and I didn't get as close a shave as some of the others that were smoother. So it was kind of a, what am I getting out of this? And part of the answer was they're cheap. They are a very inexpensive blade. If you shop around, you can get it for like 8 cents a blade, 6 cents a blade. Sorry, I don't have a camera that can see down there, but my brush has a little bit of lather on the counter, and when I put it down, it started like circling. It literally turned like 360 degrees. That was hysterical. A little shower. See if we can get some of my trouble spots that way. Okay. So, I said that the pre-shave and the soap didn't give me great residual slickness. Riding the cap helps because you get more surface area. And I was really going shallow for that last pass. I think we're going to have an excellent shave. I think I got a lot of my trouble areas really well, which means I may have learned something today, unintentionally, just experimenting, which is awesome. Let's find out. Okay, so we missed a couple spots. Okay, let's find out here. Yeah, it did not get great on my jaw, right there. Like I went over that again and again. Not excellent here, but better than I usually would with that razor, much less that blade. Neck is pretty good. Sideburn area, pretty darn good. I'm gonna say that new technique was a success. This blade and razor are not my closest shave, right? So technique, awesome. Razor and blade did as well as I could expect, really. Not gonna complain about that at all. The soap and pre-shave actually worked pretty well. Better than I seem to remember. Hey, it's all good. I said it before, I was in other videos. This kind of stuff, it's very rare there's actually a bad product from the reputable companies. It's almost all good. It's just everybody's different. Everybody's skin is different. Everybody's water is different. Everybody's technique is different. So you got to find what you prefer. And at some point, it literally just becomes opinion. It becomes you like the packaging better. You like the smell better. Like it isn't about the shave itself so much as the overall experience. So anyway, that is it. I'm going to put some aftershave on. We are going to go back with a splash. We're continuing this trend. So this is the Barrister and Mann Spice Splash. So with all of that extra buffing and going over it when it was not, really ready, no burn. I felt like a tingle here or there. We're good. No complaints whatsoever about that. Very successful. We're good. Enjoy. Take care. Have fun. Enjoy your shave.